Hi there, Neil here again with Option Theory. Welcome back to another one of our Cherry Bomb videos. Today is March 19th, 2020, and we're going to put a trade on in silver today. We're going to use an ETF. So fire up your platform of choice. We're going to use Thinkorswim because we're going to be doing simulated trading. If this is new to you, check out our playlist on getting started with Thinkorswim. With that shameless little plug, we're going to hop on into the platform. So you can see on screen here, we're at our monitor tab, seeing what we currently have open. Yesterday's Cherry Bomb did not fill, considering maybe I'll look into putting another version of that trade on today, but probably not. So we're not going to cover these positions. We do that on Mondays and see what's happened over the week. We are going, of course, to take a quick look at the market. We're going to hit the charts. We're going to hit the S&Ps. And we can see here that we're on the wrong one. We want to be 1 year and each candle is a day. So let's take a look at the last month. So you can see we've got the high and the low for the year all within 1 month. So that's quite a bit of a drop there. Wowzers. All right. We had a not so awesome day yesterday. We are having what looks like a little bit of a comeback going on right now. Actually, this candle does not really reflect unless it's gapped up. No, I can't tell. It's saying it's down almost 1.5% roundabout, right? So, conflicting little evidence here. Candle versus what we see here. I'm going to go with this one. Let's take a look at crude. Crude oil took a nasty hit yesterday. Once again, we'll go back into a month's time frame here. And here we can see oil was trading for as low as $20, let's call it $20.50 a barrel. And you can imagine what a barrel looks like, right? So that was almost 26% drop in 1 day. Sure, it didn't close down that much, but at one point it was. We're seeing a bounce back today. That's pretty substantial. It's showing here, but that doesn't look like 12%, does it? But anyway, 12% increase today. Let's see, NASDAQ's down the smidge, same thing as the S&Ps. It's funny to call that a smidge now, but there it is. All right. Now, on to the trade at hand, shall we? Let's type in silver. We're going to do the ETF SLV. And we can see we've got the high and the low for the year here. The low being 1086. Now, maybe because I'm not an expert, right? Disclaimer here, that I would think that metals like this would go up during a financial meltdown, if you would. However, it's gone down significantly. Look at that gap. Holy monkey, right? So that tells me that maybe there's some sort of industrial application. The demand for this is not high enough to keep that price. So let's take a look back, though, of course. That's probably why I was in the 3-year. Let's see on the 3-year plan, if you would, going back in time. Wow. Yes. So this is quite the outlier. So that kind of gives us a little support into saying, hey, look, if things tend to be mean reverting, this being the mean, naturally in the Cherry Bomb trade that we got today from Tom Preston, go over to Cherry Bomb, tastytradehello.com and sign up for the email blast. You'll get the email way before my videos come out, and you'll be able to evaluate the trade yourself. Maybe consider putting on a simulated trade along with me, hence the fun, hence the learning. Okay, there he'll talk about things like the IV percentile or IV rank, right? Right now, you can tell because the cliff it's jumped off, you probably guess that the IV is high, right? So that means option prices are rich, and we're going to get paid to be a contrarian, right? So I analyze too much. I doth protest, right? Okay, so let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to stay with the monthly expiration here. Yeah, you can see quite a bit of implied volatility here. Let's open up the options chain for April, and we're going to take the 14 delta put. We're going to sell a naked put, a short put, right? So we're going to just We don't have to right click on this one. We can just left click on the bid for the 9 put, right? We can see here that that's 41 cents. You could go for sort of a mid price if you wanted to, right? And see if you get filled there. I'm going to leave it to 41. Lock it in at 41. And then I'm going to, of course, hit the risk profile. And let's go this way. Hit our price slices, set them to break even. At expiration. Expiration, though, is not then. It is here, April 17th. So now we're looking at a 70, let's round up, 78% chance that it's going to stay to the right, at break even or to the right. And here's the current market price. Okay, so we have plenty of room. Hey, silver goes up, that's great. We're going to keep our $41. If silver goes down, we can continue to keep, obviously, we're going to follow this purple line, which changes over time and changes with volatility. But we're talking about expiration here. If I go down, I can still make money, right? Over time. All the way over to here, of course, once it drops below the break-even point, which is the strike price, $9 minus the credit we received, right? Then we begin to lose money. But at most, if we're break even at 860, that means we could lose $860. If silver becomes free to everyone, the public can just get silver whenever they want, right? Then we'd be out that money. And that's a bet I think we're worth taking. Those are probabilities that are in our favor, right? So let's route this trade. Let's right click it. Let's choose confirm and send. Let's take a look here once again, confirming our max loss of $859. And 41 is our maximum profit. Tasty Trade Approach, right, says that we're going to look to close this when it gets to 50% of that maximum profit. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that and close it if we have to midweek trading, right? Okay, I'm going to hit send. That's going to put that over in my working orders. And that's it. Congratulations, you put on a bullish trade. We added some more positive delta. Over here, we can see we have quite a bit of it. That's not beta weighted. We can talk about that in a how-to video maybe over the weekend. All right, that is all for today's Cherry Bomb. Thank you, Bomb Squad members, for joining in. I look forward to seeing you in the next Cherry Bomb video.